Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour or give you an update on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. So we are on Highway 2000 now, and we just went through the Maypen Toll Plaza, and we're going to come up to where the road currently ends. So this road runs from Kingston to Maypen. So it currently ends at the Maypen roundabout, and then from the Maypen roundabout to Mandeville is where the new section is being built. Now that section is over 90% complete, and it's scheduled to be finished in June 2023. That's June of this year. It was to finish in March, but they have changed the opening date of the highway to June 2023. So this is where we are now, and straight ahead is the Maypen roundabout where the highway ends. But if you look, let's see if we can zoom in. You can see the construction going on straight ahead. So when the highway is open, you're going to have one straight road going across, and that straight across you have the Rio Mino Bridge, and you'll be able to drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes when this highway is finished. Yes, 40 minutes. So we're just going to give you an update. Now, this section of the highway runs from the Maypen roundabout, that's just where we went, the roundabout we just passed, to the Williamsfield roundabout in Manchester. So between the Maypen roundabout and Clarendon Park, it's going to run adjacent to the Maypen bypass, which is this road over here. And then it's going to pass through Osborne Store, Toll Gate, and then come to Clarendon Park. And then from Clarendon Park, it's going to go over the hill and come out by the Melrose Hill bypass. So the Melrose Hill bypass will become a part of Highway 2000. And the highway will then run along the Melrose Hill bypass up to Williamsfield, and that's where it will end. Now this highway, Highway 2000 East-West leg, is also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. It was renamed in honor of the former Prime Minister of Jamaica, and he was very instrumental in getting this highway built. But the highway is actually to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. But because of the cost, they are building it out in phases. So come June, you'll have the Kingston to Mandeville leg finished, and then they will build the highway until it reaches Montego Bay. Now, the highway is going to bypass Spur Tree Hill, so they're going to have a Spur Tree bypass, which will be a part of the highway, and then you're going to highway will then continue until it comes out through Anchovy and then connects to Montego Bay via the Bogue Road or the Perimeter Road. So straight ahead now is the Rio Mino Bridge, and that's the highway. They have the gate up because this section of the highway is actually complete. So the section of the highway from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park is complete. It's finished. You can drive on it. We actually have videos up of driving on the highway before they blocked it off. And then the section from Clarendon Park to Melrose Hill is also complete. And the last section they're working on now is the upgrading of the Melrose Hill bypass to make it 4 lanes, and because the highway is going to be incorporated into the bypass. So that's the last section they're working on, and it should be finished by June 2023. Now, with the Southern Coastal Highway that runs from Harborview to Port Antonio, when a section of that highway is finished, they allow persons to drive on it. But the reason why they can't allow persons to drive on this highway is because this is a toll road. This highway you have to pay to use. The Southern Coastal Highway is not a toll road, so persons can just drive on the finished section as it is finished. I guess they have to pave this section that we're driving on and put in a concrete barricade. The Jersey barrier, as it's officially called, to connect to the road up there. But they'll probably wait to do this last because they have to remove the Maypen roundabout and make it one continuous road. So let's talk about the toll now. From Maypen to Mandeville, you're going to have 3 toll plazas. You have one toll plaza at Vineyards, then you have another toll plaza at Maypen Toll Plaza, and I'm not sure exactly where, although I think it's going to be Clarendon Park, where they're going to have the 3rd toll plaza. If anybody knows where the additional toll plaza to Mandeville will be, let us know. Alright, we're just going to stop here and finish the video because we don't want to interfere with what's going on. So yeah, there's will be one more toll plaza, and you're going to have like a major interchange in Clarendon Park where you can get on and off the highway, and then you're going to have another one by the Melrose Hill bypass. We actually have a lot of videos up of the construction going on the Melrose Hill bypass, and we have drone videos up of this section of the highway and the Melrose Hill bypass, so you can check those out. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. We'll keep you updated, and of course as soon as we are able to drive on the road, we will update you guys as to what the finished road looks like. And also we have drone videos up, so you can check them out on the highway, because you can just fly over it, you don't have to drive. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.